Zizoqhubeka ngohlelo lokuxhumana nge-Internet izifundo enyuvesi eNelson Mandela eEastern Cape. Lokhu kulandela ukwenyuka kwesibalo sabafundi abahaqwe yi-COVID-19 kulesikhungo. Njengamanje isikhungo sibambe uhlelo lokuhlola abafundi kanti kuze kube imanje bayi-16 abafundi ukuqinisekisa ukuthi bahaqekile. Ababili bokuqala batholakala lapho kuhlala khona abafundi kanti abafundi abahlala ngaphakathi bahlaliswe ngabotwana. Inyuvesi njengamanje ihlose ukunqanda ukusabalala kwalesi sifo kanti besingakathathwa isinqumo mayelana nokuhlehlisa izivivinyo zaphakathi nonyaka.
We've also now embarked on a mass testing drive in partnership with the Department of Health, where we are really trying to, support the students who are understandably quite anxious at this time with the rising numbers, and also to determine the extent, of the challenge. Since Monday, our numbers, positive cases among students have risen to about 16. So we are continuing, with our efforts to trace the contacts, quarantine, and to also test students as far as possible.